yeah. Hello everybody, Sailor Boy number 1 here. I woke up here in the morning because we have thunderstorm warnings and stuff now, so I want to be awake and fully dressed if something happens. We have like up to 20 knots in gusts at the moment. It's gonna be up to 30 knots in the gusts, but we will see. There's gonna come in a thunderstorm soon. Like 20. So I just want to be awake and fully dressed when stuff like this happens. Because if something happens, I can quickly jump out, start the engine, and go to safety. Or I don't know, at least be fast. We have our neighbors. I can see him. They're not dragging or anything. And I don't think I will drag. The only thing I'm worried about is wind shifts. Too much wind shifts. So that's why I'm gonna stay up and have an eye on that. Hello everybody, Sailboy. I haven't slept anything tonight. It just got light here now. It's 7 in the morning.
Kanske inte vill ha kaffe då?
Jo, för helvete. Sailor girl is up. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but over there the waves are crashing in. It's coming big waves from out there going in here. And when this is like, we are in the middle of the worst. Well, the worst was an hour ago, so it's on its way down, but it's still quite not good. And you have thunderstorms going in here just past us all day. We've been so lucky because it's well, it's not hitting us. When we got out here, you can see there are 2 small fishing boats. Yeah, one out there I think, and one here. These guys, they gotta be crazy. I mean, there are 3 boats over there, 1 ketch and 2 catamarans. And I actually wrote on no foreign land to the catch rigged boat, and it's I don't know, I said it before, it's an American boat, and I wrote to them and asked how they were doing, because it should be a lot of swell there, because the swell is coming from out there and going in. There's like almost 3 meters swell out there. So but they wrote back to me actually this morning and said they were dragging and they re-anchored, but now they're fine. So yeah, really happy we did change place. So baby's doing eggs. Have you been sleeping okay, babe?
Ja, not okay, but I haven't slept asleep.
Okay, you look terrific. Yes. So what's the plan for today?
No plans.
No plans. Okay, so it's food, then we're gonna go to sleep again. I haven't slept yet, so you know, but it's gonna be a good sleep, I think. I'm gonna take my clothes off, eat, and go straight to horny jail. I mean bed. Sailor Boy out. Hello everybody. We were here now. We weathered the storm. Well, it wasn't a storm, but a little bit bad, rough weather. We had like thunderstorm warnings and wind warnings and everything, so it could be potential really bad stuff. And we have that also today. And there was supposed to be no rain and everything was good, but we had a big weather system going past us here, which was not on the forecast or anything, so that was kind of sketchy. But we waited for that one. We took up the anchor, everything went fine. We were blown into shore, and there were some rocks that was very shallow. I saw on my avionics, so I was a little bit eager to get away from there. And
Here you can see boats which came the night before the storm. And we have a little problem now. The water is out, so I have to somehow get new water, and here it's a real challenge to get water. I could just go into the marina and pay 20 euros to get water, but that water is like saltish water. I don't like it at all, and to pay 20 euros for shit water, that's I mean, what the fuck. I don't want to do that. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna anchor close to that marina, the marina which we're gonna take up the boat in some months. I'm gonna kayak there and ask them if I can, how much they want for taking water and so on. Det är läskigare att bada där borta än vad det var här, tycker jag. På något sätt känns det som att man är med i havet där.
Där borta?
Ja, så att det är mer hajar och sånt.
Mer hajar där?
Ja, jag vågade liksom inte gå ner nästan, och du bara simmar runt där som ett jävla och börjar rensa och grejer. Jag tänkte, hon är inte klok, det jävla. Everybody, we were supposed to go ashore and there was supposed to be no wind today, but as you can see, that's not true. And also we're blowing into shore here, so because the other place we were at before, that place were, I mean, the wind was supposed to come from here, so we were getting blown into the shore by then if you were on the other place. So we moved here, and just because of that the wind turned, and now we are blowing into this shore instead. And it's not super hard, but it's between 10 and 15 knots. That's you can see white caps everywhere out here. Okay, everybody, we're gonna go now. We're taking at the anchor because we have to get the water. We have like no water at all. Only a few liters of drinking water left. Well, it's like 12 liters of drinking water left. So I have to go to the marina there, fill the water. It's not good water, but it's water that we will use to cook, clean and stuff, not drink, because it's a little bit salty and they recommend not drinking it, and some say you can, but you know, we have been shitting and pissing our fair share on this trip, so we're just gonna... There's a fish. Saw du? Ja, jag såg det. Strange behavior for a fish to do this. So I don't know if it's sick or something. Probably old fish. Maybe you know why the fish is doing this. You can write in the comment.
Okay. Ska jag dra?
Ja. The guys were putting out nets here yesterday evening, but it seems like it's gone now. It felt not good that they did that. It's going to be interesting to see if the chain is stuck and very muddy, because everyone says it will be here. Yeah, there we go. Let's see if there's a lot of clay and stuff on it. Yeah, it was. Släpp ner lite. Så upp. Ner, upp. Okay, up. I don't think she wanna do it. It doesn't let go. We have to take it up and clean it. Okay. Very, very good mud here. The kind of mud I like, because I know the boat is not going anywhere if I have that. Okay, everybody, we are here. Tried to go there, but it was a big you know, we couldn't go too close to the pontoon there, or the quay because it would damage the boat. I didn't have enough fenders for that, so we went here, and here we can see the tanks, but he's not here yet. They open from 10 to 5, so they should be here like very soon. And we have a free water bottle filling station over here. Well, it's not good water, but it's better than nothing. So there sail girl is going, because I don't dare to leave the boat here because you can't really be here. The marina guys are over there. I don't know if those are the marina guys or if the marina guys aren't here yet or whatnot. Anyway, old people here, and I'm kind of hyped, you know, because this is a big deal. And now it's my turn. Sail out. Okay, everybody, we have put in like 60 liters at the moment, and I think it's really close to be full now. It has to be, or else it's strange. Hello. Okay, we came from the marina, we just went for engine here, and I backed on the anchor. Every inch of chain is out, and now we're gonna take the kayak, go in and get drinking water, because now we just fill the tank with water which we could cook, clean, you know, brush our teeth and stuff, but not drink. We could do it, but we won't, since we're a little bit scared of getting sick again, because people say yes and no. It depends on who you ask to drink it or not, so we're not gonna take any chances. And I mean, as I said before, we don't drink so much water, so but we're gonna take 2 backpacks and get in and fill them with drinking water, which we will buy in the store. So yeah, and now we're gonna clean up this mess, so see you later. I get this sailboy out. Hello everybody, update here from Sailboy and Sailgirl. We woke up here to this marvelous weather. Actually, you can see there are raining stuff here, and it could be thunder. We had thunder, but not today, it was some days ago. And there's bad weather coming here now. You can see in 4 days, maybe even 3 days, there's going to be heavy winds coming from that direction. So I think we're gonna move over to the other side, and then it's gonna blow like that for like 3 days or 2 days, hard winds, and then it's gonna turn and come from there, like real hard, harder than before. So we have to go from there over here fast as possible, but it's gonna be real wavy coming in from here. So here gonna be wave, but we're still gonna do it, or else we're gonna have to go into a marina, but you know, it's very expensive. I could go into that marina over here. It's not a marina, but it's a you know, it's a free place to be. I've talked to the guys and they say it's free, but the one who are there says it's free, but the marina says it's not. But the guys on the quay, they don't pay, so I mean, whatever. And I wonder if everyone is gonna stay here now under this bad weather, because there's no wind to leave. Actually, no good wind at all. We have been eating breakfast here. It's been a mass shooting in Sweden, Örebro. A guy killed 11 people on a convox. Not so fun, but yeah, what are you gonna do? So we are here in Sicily, long away from. I thought, like, do they have mass shootings like in Sicily, in schools, and Italy for that matter? I don't think I've heard once about stuff like that over here. And I mean, you could take like Tunisian or something. Do they even exist? I don't hear about stuff like that because I'm from Sweden? I don't know. What do you say, babe?
They have the mafia.
El mafioso?
Mafiosos.
Yes.
And they don't take care of the trash. It's
Yeah.
trash everywhere.
Yes, it is. So they have problems also, but I think the killings are worse
So
Yeah, maybe.
yes, okay.
Hello everybody. So we are here now again. We put the kayak over there. It's Thursday. So tomorrow night the bad weather is coming. It's going up and down. Like it's gonna be good and it's bad and good and bad, and now it's on bad again. So I'm hoping it's gonna be good again. But I think we will manage. We are like 4 boats here, and we're gonna move tomorrow, because we could move today, but there's gonna be swell on the south side of the bay. So we're gonna just, I mean, it's not fun to be on the boat now because it's not swell so much, but it's like cold and wet, and I don't like it at all. So we're just try to you know, manage by going into land today, maybe even tomorrow, and tomorrow afternoon we're gonna go to the new anchor place, which is an old anchor place where we were when it was bad weather the last time. Planlösning. I wonder who lives here. It's the Pope or someone. Maybe a mafioso boss. I don't know. Jesus is everywhere here.